Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best electric kettles for 2024, top 5 available on Amazon. Number 1. COSORI Electric Kettle. Introducing the COSORI Electric Kettle, a rapid boiling 1.7 liter per 1500 watts pot with stainless steel inner lid and filter. It ensures zero contact with plastic, prioritizes safety with automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection, and offers convenient precision with a drip-free spout and scald-proof lid. The stylish design includes a blue LED indicator light. Brew tea, coffee, and more with ease. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. ZWILLING Enfinigy Electric Kettle Pro. Introducing the ZWILLING Enfinigy 1.56 quart Cool Touch Electric Kettle Pro. It features a sleek gold touch control and hidden display, cool touch stainless steel exteriors for safety, and easy cleanup with removable parts. Experience high performance and access a database of original recipes through the ZWILLING Culinary World app. Elevate your kitchen with this exceptional kettle. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Chefman Electric Kettle. Introducing the Chefman Electric Kettle. With a 1500 watts heating element, this kettle rapidly boils water in just 3 minutes, making it perfect for tea, coffee, and other hot beverages. It features automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection for safety. The sleek design, LED indicator lights, and easy pour spout make it a stylish and convenient addition to your kitchen. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Bodum Melior Gooseneck Electric Water Kettle. Introducing the Bodum 27-ounce Melior Gooseneck Electric Water Kettle. Perfect for pour-over coffee makers, it offers an 0.8-liter capacity and an elegant ergonomic design for precise water flow control. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it features a non-slip cork handle and knob for comfort. The stylish base includes an easy-to-use power switch and automatic shutoff. Enjoy the convenience of a cordless kettle. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. OVENTE Electric Glass Kettle. Introducing the OVENTE Electric Glass Kettle, a 1.5-liter 1500 watts instant hot water boiler heater. With Pronto Fill Tech, filling it up is a breeze. Made with heat-tempered borosilicate glass, its sleek design is complemented by blue LED lights. The kettle shuts off automatically, ensuring safety. Enjoy fast boiling for tea, coffee, and more. Backed by US-based customer service and a 2-year warranty. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.